Go watch.
Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
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 Nice to see you guys. How was last week's homework, Ma?
Pretty easy.
The book
See,
homework was easy, but the PDF it wouldn't work for me. Like I tried doing it like on like a PDF that I could edit on, but it didn't work.
let me see quickly. Hold on.
I even messaged you too.
Okay, honestly, I did not see. Quickly tell me. I need some inputs, guys. Okay. Last week, thank you. Last week, Dia, were you present, Dia, last week?
Yeah.
Last week was the first week you came, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ashwin, you were present last week and this week, right, Ashwin?
Yeah.
Arman was not present both weeks. Ritisha? Why am missing Ritisha? What is going on with her? Usually she's never absent. And Vishnu, you were present last week, right?
Yeah.
Swarit was also present last week and this week, right? Sham was present. Johan was present, I know. Anish, how are you, Anish?
I'm good.
Where are you? Are you in India or here?
I'm here. My hair is still growing.
Okay. So you don't want to come on the video or what?
Yeah, it can't come on the video.
Okay.
That, yeah.
Let's get going. Okay, let me look at your homework first, okay? Hey, Ashwin, how are you finding Ashwin?
Oh yeah. The homework was pretty easy. I did it all. I just didn't submit it in time. Yeah.
See, if you don't submit it in time just before the class, let me tell you a secret. Usually I go over before. See, there is my another friend of mine who has consented to go over the homework and she updates me how you all did, okay? So if she grades it, she grades it before. Okay. If I grade it, I go over what was graded, right? So that is usually done before the class. You got my secret?
Yeah. All right. Okay.
Okay. Swarit, did you submit the homework?
No, I forgot to.
You forgot to. Okay. Ma, without you showing the homework, right, there is no way I will know. You see what I mean, no?
Yeah. I did it though. Like
You did it though.
mm,
Yeah, ma. See, how will I know?
yeah.
You'll submit hereafter. That really helps me.
Okay, sure.
Makes sense? Okay, so that is one. And what else I need to? Hey, Johan, did you have any questions on the homework?
No, not really.
Okay, Siddharth, yours was good. Ritisha, nice work, ma. But I'm not able to see much in your homework, ma. Nicely, you have to show.
Oh, I think that's just by like because of how hard I wrote it, but I can send it over again.
Yeah. But Ashwin, these are the only homework that was given, huh?
I think so. The book and the PDF. I think I submitted both, right?
Let me see. I feel like it was a little more, ma, but I can check.
Really?
What was the homework? Dia, did you have any problems with the homework?
No.
Okay, exercise 5.5 was small, as you said. And with respect to the algebra problems, did you find it tough, guys?
Miss Priya, do you need me to resubmit it with the proper screenshots or what do you?
Oh, you were not able to see?
No, I saw it, but you said you couldn't see my work, so do you need me to resend the pictures?
No. No, the next week you submit it, okay? Yeah, see, the word problems is really good. Oh, nice, Amma. Very nice. Nicely done, the word problems from Rutisha.
Oh, I thought. Oh,
The other one only I met. Dia also very good. Rutisha also very good. Johan knows how to submit now. Okay. Word problems, did you all understand and do, guys? Hey, Swarit, I'm missing a lot of your homework, okay?
Yeah, I didn't submit them. I need to.
When you'll submit? Adapula Vishnuram, are you submitting?
Yeah, I'm trying to submit all of them. I have them. I just need to submit them.
You just need to submit them. But I'm not getting your homework, Vishnuram. That is one problem. And wait, let me see who else. Yeah, Vishnuram.
Auntie, can I submit my 5.5 after class?
I joined class.
Yeah, please.
I joined class.
Let me see. Okay. Okay, Anish, I'm also not seeing your homework too. What, Anish?
Yes, I didn't. I have done it. I just didn't upload it.
Okay, I'm a little worried on yours, guys, because see, if you don't submit your homework, definitely we are not following the next class. That's what it is. Okay, I don't want to be in a position where like, oh my goodness, I don't understand the next class. Let me see, Swarit. Okay, Swarit, none of the assignments have come, Swarit. Okay, I'm worried, Amma. Swarit, you have to start submitting homework. Otherwise, it's very difficult to continue in the same group as well.
Okay.
Yeah, please, because if you don't submit it, then I definitely see a problem. Okay. Hey, Vishnuram, you've started missing there and here.
Okay, I'll submit those.
I am worried. How about you, Dia? You have been submitting. Okay, but three variable, three equations, do you get it? I didn't see your homework.
I get it.
Okay. Now let's see. Okay. So we were done with 5.5, right? 5.5. Okay. More linear equations in this, guys. Okay. But 5.6 we already covered, so I'm not going to do that. 5.5 word problems we did, but I want to cover more word problems. Okay. Okay, I'll do that. But in the meantime, you can also do review problems of this chapter, then I can start ratio percent. Okay. Now the thing is, if I give you harder problems, I want to see how you guys handle it. Can we go to some harder problems? You have to give me a minute. This book is very good with word problems. Let's see this one. Give me 1 minute, guys. Give me 1 minute. I really want to go with harder problems in your group. So let's see. Puzzle problems. Okay. Water current 438, 445. 438, 444. Let me see where we are. 438. Yeah. You know what? Okay.
Yes.
When you go upstream and when you go downstream, let's say there is a river. Okay. When you go upstream, what happens? Meaning that there is a speed for the water. one thing what you need to understand is there is a speed for the water, 100%. Okay, meaning in any river, water flows by itself. It goes in its own speed. Okay, but with a boat, you're sitting in a boat and traveling upstream. What would happen? The river is flowing. Let's say, okay, let me show you. Instead of abstract and explaining like this, let me go ahead and show you. Then you'll get it quickly. Share. Okay. Suppose okay. Suppose there is a river. Okay. The river is flowing. Its speed is speed of the river. Speed of the current, right? Is C. Okay. Now, speed of my let's say I have a boat. Okay. I travel with a boat upstream. Okay. I travel with my boat speed. Okay. Boat speed is S, let's say. Now what would happen when I go up? What is my speed? What is my speed when I go up? Will it reduce or increase? Think about it. Logic. Huh?
Reduce.
Reduce, right? Because I'm going up, the speed of the current is pushing me down. So basically, S minus C will be my upstream speed. Suppose if I travel downstream, what is my speed?
C minus S.
S plus C.
C.
I think so. You see, the speed of the current is flowing down. It's a little hard, abstract. See, the speed of the current is coming down. The water is pushing you. You're traveling with the boat speed as well. So both are pushing you down.
S plus C.
Speed is S plus C. Do you see it? So when you travel downstream, the current speed is added. When you go upstream, the current speed is subtracted. Any questions on that?
No.
Can I move on? Can I move on?
Yes.
Okay. Suppose you travel with the wind. Wind speed gets added. Suppose you travel against the wind. What happens?
E gets slowed.
Wind speed gets subtracted. Yes. Okay. How about this? Okay. Let me give you this. Okay. This is a review. I didn't go into that topic yet. Okay. How about this? 6 grapefruit. If you're not, I will try to not to use cursive. 6 grapefruits cost as much as dozen oranges. Cost as much as dozen oranges. The cost of 7 grapefruit and 2 dozen oranges. Cost of a dozen grapefruit. The cost of a dozen grapefruit and 2 dozen oranges is $12. How much is 1 grapefruit? Quick, ma, these are easy, ma. This is just a review for you. You need to move on. But I have more questions. Wait, guys. Ritisha, wait. Let's see. What is that you wanted?
I sent my answer.
Mm-hmm. Let's find this out. I'm checking. I just want to see what is the next type of problem we want to solve. Uh, what is that, Shyam? Can't that be simplified? Diya correct, Marutisha correct, Ashwin correct, Ashwin correct, Anish, where did I miss your answer? Anish correct, ma. Anish, did you write equations or what? Yes, Johan.
Yes, I wrote equations.
Okay, can we discuss the equation that you have? Yes. Oh, Swarit, I can see that you did the homework. Thank you. Vishnu Ram, correct. But there was one wrong answer, right? If I am right. Shyam. What was your answer, Shyam?
1 by 3.
One by?
1 by 3.
Correct. So that is $50, right? But you had said 1 by 3, right?
Yeah.
What is that? You sent it as 1 by. You made a mistake?
Yes.
Oh, don't worry about it. Okay. Hey, how is school there, Shyam? Can I ask you?
Okay.
I'm curious. Okay means what?
I mean it's okay, but it's not that hard. It's pretty easy.
Okay, how about the math? Tell us. I am curious. No, it's easy. Or you learning more in school?
It is easy.
Oh, everything you know?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you learning in school?
So for max, I'm learning prime numbers,
Oh,
factoring.
oh my goodness. Okay. So it's easy.
Yeah. Very
But you
easy.
plan to come back next year, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, let's see. Hey, after summer, maybe when the day time changes, right? Maybe we'll shift by half an hour because this is like 10:30 for me, the end of the time, end of the class for me, Ritisha and all. It's 10:30, right, ma? Yeah, it's a little too much, so we'll see how to manage this class, okay?
Not 10:30, 10 o'clock. It starts at 9, no?
Oh, then it's fine. Okay. I have a class ending at 10:30 on Wednesdays
Oh.
because of kids in India. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I was thinking about that. This class is okay still, I feel. Okay. Let's see this one. See, there are. Um, how about this? 1 minute, guys. Okay, how about this? I don't know which one to give. Hold on. This one. Sally has dollar. This is a very famous question in dimes and quarters. If you can't read mine, just let me know. For a total of 100 coins. How many of each kind? How many of each kind? That's all. These are just review problems, okay? Based on whatever homework you did, I thought I'll give you this. That's all. Chemist is.
Wait, Sally has $21.40 or no? I don't understand.
What am I?
Is it 21.40
Dollar $21.40.
Okay.
Yeah, ask because see, sometimes I'm not legibly rating. Yeah, let's see this one. Mixture problems is something I want to do. And please let me. Hey, Alkumas, are we at a point to share screen and show the others? Yes, no.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, Sham. I think that's right. If you're not getting it, just ping me immediately. I'll do it on the board. Okay, I have another 3-4 types that I want to really do nicely today. So by the end of the summer, let's see. I'm pushing to complete how much? 6. Six. Oh, okay. Let's see how much. 6 or 7, 6, chapter 6, if we complete, it's a big achievement. We have another 2-3 classes. Let's see. Chapter 6, I'll target at completing. Okay. 6 and plus some more. Ma, if you're not, if you're getting stuck, please quickly tell, don't wait more. Oh wow. Ashwin, correct. Ashwin, you did a lot of homework, looks like, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so nice to see how you've scaled up. You've learned a lot, right, Ashwin?
Yeah.
Very proud of you. And the class is very good. This class, all of your classmates are also very nice. This group is very driven group. Okay, Ritisha, correct. Hey, Johan, are you finding it tough or can I help you? Because
I'm almost done.
oh wow, good job. Okay, there are 3 more types at least we want to solve. No pressure. You can solve. You can take time. Where are they covering line equations? Oh, I see. See, 8 is important. I don't know. 6, 7 should we do now? 6 is 7. 6, 7 can wait, I feel. Maybe we should go to 8 and come back. Yeah, next, I feel like before school reopens, I feel like finishing 8, guys. I will come to 6 and 7 after we finish 8. Is that okay, guys?
Sure.
Yeah, meaning it'll benefit you because when you get into algebra at school, right, they will start with 8 and you'll feel like you're thrown into the ocean. So why don't we cover 8 and then come to 6 and 7, which will be beneficial to you. Okay, 6 and 7 are will be easy for you guys. Okay. Hey, Johan, nice. Okay, Swarit, can I help or should I wait? Anish? Anish, why don't you tell
Yes.
the equation to us? Or Swarit, you can tell us the equation.
I'm
Wait, I think
thinking
I
of
got the answer. I used equation.
Okay, ma. What are the equations you got? One of you tell me, Swarit or Anish.
Times. 1 minute. I'm sending the text.
I feel like
Can
What was that question? Ashwin, what did you say? Ashwin?
Yeah.
the equations?
Yeah, tell me.
The equations I used are d plus q equals 100 and 0.10d plus 0.25q equals 21.40.
Wow, very impressive. Okay. Anish, okay. Swarit, did you get the equations?
I did the 0.10d plus 0.25q but equals 2140.
Uh-huh.
That's the only one I thought of. I didn't know it.
But this
The
one for a
second.
total of 100 coins.
Yeah, then I realized that. So
Yeah, so here another thing, guys, don't continue solving these in decimals. Okay, we are a little different people. Okay, we need to do it, meaning we have to make numbers work for us, not slog for the numbers. So what do? Multiply the entire equation by 100. So this becomes 10d plus 25q equal to 2140. See how nice equations are now. Now multiply by 10 the first equation. So this will be 1000. So now subtract 15q. Make numbers work for you. So this is 1140. So q is 1140 by 15. How to simplify? 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 40, 5 8. So 7 are 21, 6, 76 quarters. Make sense? Okay. Okay, now I want you to land into the hard 3 types. I'm not following. The book does not have those types, guys. Okay. I'm going to give you homework from separately. Maybe they will solve in Algebra 2 book, I think, but this one is not Algebra 2, okay? In your school, they'll solve. Where did I get that problem? Yeah. Oh, I had the problem ready. Where is the problem? 1 minute, guys. Okay. How about this? I'm going to solve this for you, okay? You're not going to solve because you don't know the head and tail of it. So let me solve this one for you. Coffee worth okay. Any thoughts, guys? Coffee worth $1.05 per pound is mixed with coffee worth 85 cents per pound. To obtain 20 pounds of the mixture worth 90 cents per pound. What do I do? What do you think I can do? Let X be number of pounds. I'm going to do this problem, but you can pour in your thoughts, whoever has it, of coffee worth dollar, or let me type this as type A coffee. Okay, this is type B coffee. Okay, this is hybrid coffee, hybrid output. Okay, so can I say number of pounds of type A coffee? Let now if X is the number of pounds of type A, what is the number of pounds of type B?
Why?
Let me not go with another variable. Why?
X minus X plus something.
Read the problem. Coffee worth $1.05 per pound is mixed with coffee worth 85 cents per pound to
So
obtain 20 pounds of the mixture worth
X minus 20.
20 minus X, right?
Oh yeah, 20 minus X.
20 minus X. Because 20 is the total. You subtract. So number of pounds. Now, what can I say? How about this? This number of pounds of type A, I have to multiply with $1.05. Make sense? 1.05 is the cost of each pound of type A. So I multiply that with this. What do you get? Dollar value of X pounds of type A, correct? Plus 0.90, 20 minus X. Can I do that? Will be equal to what? I'm just putting the total cost. Total cost of hybrid coffee. Total cost of hybrid coffee will be equal to cost from type A plus cost from type B. Do you get it?
Yeah. Wait, why did you multiply the mixture, the hybrid of coffee with a type B?
Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh my god, wait. This is 85. Thanks, Vishnuram. You picked me out. Correct. 0.90 times 20 pounds, right? Does this make sense? Johan, did it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So I really do not want to work with decimals, okay? I am really weak with decimals. I don't want decimals. You know what I do? Multiply by 100. 105x plus 85 times 20 minus x will be equal to 90 times 20. 105x plus, you know what I do? 85 times 20, you know what I do? What is the easiest way, Diya? Hey, Diya, you have not answered, I think, right? Did you answer my questions, Diya?
No,
Why?
I don't know.
Oh, no. I got your answers. Say, I was asking about the previous problems, ma.
Oh, I sent those.
Yeah, I saw. Okay, so 105x, 85 times 20, how do you do quickly? 85 times 2, double 85, what is that? 170, add the 0. Minus 85x will be equal to 9 times 2, 18, add the zeros. Now 105 minus 85 is 20x, subtract 1700 on both sides, 100x equal to 5, and then 20 minus x is 15. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Check you should do. Substitute that there. Add 1.05 times 5 plus 0.85 times 15. Is it equal to this? You have to check. Does that make sense, this problem?
Yeah.
These are called mixture problems. This is a separate type of problems, mixture problems. Where what are you doing? Basically, sometimes you add the cost, final cost, it will be equal. Sometimes in chemistry related problems, the same mixture problem can say, hey, 20% of one solution, I mix it up with 30% of another solution. What is the concentration I'll get? There we will equate the volume. Volume of type A solution plus volume of type B solution will be equal to the volume of the hybrid solution I'm getting. So mixture problems are all the same. Either you add up the cost equated to the total cost or the volume of the solution. How much solution of type A, how much solution of type B you add to make up the hybrid solution. Ashwin, did you get it?
Yes, okay.
How about this? This as well I'll do. Oh yeah. This is what just now I was telling you, right? The concentration. I'll do this one. Next one I'll give you guys, okay? How about this? Ritisha, are you following, ma? Ritisha?
Yeah, I am. Sorry, there was a problem with my mic.
No problem. Volume of solution A plus volume of solution B. I'm adding both, okay? I will get the hybrid solution, right? So that is the volume of hybrid solution. But how to do this? 50% hydrochloric acid. While solution B has, let's say, XB,
The volume of solution A. Like
volume of solution A, okay? Okay. And what is the volume of solution, volume of solution B? You tell me. What is the volume of solution B then?
Why?
Let's not have another variable. We are. Read the question.
100 minus x.
Ah, nice, Swarit. So x times 50%, right? Plus 100 minus x. So that would be what? What did I do? Solution B is 75% 75% solution, right? Now 75% hydrochloric acid. So the total volume of hydrochloric acid, See, basically, I am taking just the volume of hydrochloric acid in solution A, volume of hydrochloric acid in solution B, volume of hydrochloric acid in the hybrid. That is a better way, right? So here, hey, is the class being recorded? I just want to make sure because Arman, I have not been able to give a proper recording to him. Okay. So let's see. Did we do this correctly? Let's see.
no, can you put like 3 by 5 times 100?
Where? Yeah, correct. Oh, 60 by 100, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, 60 by
3 by
Correct.
5.
Correct. You all got it. So let me do it. See, fractions again, please make the fractions work for you. You're not going to sit and slog with the numbers. Okay. I don't want you to sit and slog with the numbers. So what do I do? Wait, x by 2. I will do this, guys, please. Then 3 times 100 minus x by 4 will be equal to 3 by 5 times 100, right? See, 3 times 20, right? Now, do you know what am I to do here? What is the easiest way to take out the fractions? You tell me, guys. How will you make the numbers work for you?
There's a
The
2 and a
common
4
denominator.
multiply.
Multiply by the LCM. That's the easiest way you can make the numbers work for you. Plus 300 minus 3x equal to 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 240. Right. Now minus x will be equal to minus 60, x will be equal to 60. Makes sense, guys? Makes sense?
Yeah.
This is 40.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
So where did you get 100 minus x from?
I'll tell you, ma. No, 1 minute. I'll tell you. First, let me check. Correct. Our answer is correct. Okay. So Johan has this question. Where from we got 100 minus x? I'll help you. Basically, I am mixing 50% hydrochloric acid with 75% hydrochloric acid, right? But the final hybrid solution, they're talking about the hybrid solution. See here, should be used to make 100 liters. The hybrid solution is 60% hydrochloric acid. 60% is this. 100 is the final volume that you get. Of that, 60% is HCl. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, any other questions? Mixture problems are a little tricky, but once you understand the knack of it, it becomes very easy. 1 minute, wait. I want more problems. Mm. Mm. See, how about this? Okay. How about this? Before I give you this to confuse you, why don't I give you some easy ones? Wait. I'll give you some easy ones. Hold on. Yeah, how about this? Okay. How about this? This is a good one. Can I give you this? Let's see. How about this? That's too small, right? Is it okay? You're able to see?
Yeah.
Let me make it bigger. Good enough? Do you want to try or do you want me to try?
Can I try?
Yeah. Yeah. If you want to do it on the board, do it on the board. Otherwise, each of you do it and tell me. Anish, did you follow?
Yes, I understood.
Nice. Just to make sure the 50. Okay. See, what I wanted to calculate was something else on another problem, which was a little tricky. I wanted to do myself and then give. Mm, 1 second, guys. I need a paper. Mm, 240. Okay, that makes sense. Okay.
I think I got it.
Yeah, you can tell me the answer. What are, each of you can do. Each of you can send the answer, please.
Did
I
I,
have
did
to
I get
answer.
it right?
Take your time to answer. I have more questions for you. Wait. Yeah. Yeah.
Did I get it right?
1 minute. What was this question? 1 second. 25 letters containing 25% acid. Oh, that's a good one. Okay, let's see. I got several answers. Let me see, guys. Johan correct. Vishnuram correct. Sham correct. Anish, that doesn't seem right. Can I help you? Correct, Marutisha. Swarit,
Okay.
Diya. Anish, we'll solve together. Diya, did you do?
Yeah.
Okay, ma. What was the answer?
90 ounces for
Oh,
the
wow. Nice,
But
lady.
I
No,
got you should mix 90 ounces of the 10% and 30 ounces of the 50%.
That's what I got.
yeah, that is correct actually. But
Yeah.
you did not say that as the answer, right, Anish?
Sorry, I just got confused. I thought like it said how many ounces of the 10% solution and the 50%.
Swarit, were you able to set up the problem?
Yeah.
What did you do?
I did 1 by 10 times x. 1 by 2
Correct.
times
Yeah,
1 by 2 times 120 minus 6.
correct.
And 1 by 5 times 120. And I was still like trying to.
Solving, huh? Oh,
Yeah.
okay, that's fine. Okay, so 5 to
And 24.
12, 5. Oh, yeah, 24, correct. So now when I take,
This is the part where I'm kind of confused.
okay, see, Swarit, okay, I know why are you getting confused. I'm glad you're bringing this up. So the thing is, you have to combine these two, right? Amma, just find LCM.
Okay.
Just find LCM. Times 5, right? That way you bring up your denominator the same. Then it becomes so easy, right? This is minus 4x. Make sense?
Mhm.
Will be equal to 24 minus 60 is what? 36, right?
Yeah, negative 30.
If I x equal to 36, now it's easy to solve, right? 18 times 5. Make sense? Make sense?
Yeah.
Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I really want to do two more problems. Two are a little challenging. Sources are different. So these are not in the book, guys, okay? But let's see. Yeah, I want to do two problems. Both are a little difficult. Let's see. How about this? Um, okay. Hey, Johan, is the homework too much?
Not really. I could do it.
Yeah, but the geometry homework I've reduced. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. Will that help you?
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. Okay, I really want upstream, downstream problem, distance, rate, time problems, guys. All the three I want to cover today. I know time is less, but let's see. Please do this one. This is a little tricky, one bit tricky. Let me wait and see.
What does it say? It says a chemist has what is it?
Chemist has 800 gram
Oh.
of dye solution. That is 20% of its original strength. How much dye must be added to increase the strength to 50%? You know, another way is to draw a table. Table is the best way actually. 20%. Yeah. For this one, you don't need to. You are going to make it hard. Okay. So basically, 20%. Okay. Are you able to frame equation or can I do it on the board? Anybody can shout out. Do it on the board now.
I know how to do it. So.
Oh, you know? Okay. Then do. If you want me to solve, even if one of you ask, I'll do it on the board quickly. But if everybody want to try, I have to wait. Done? Where are we in the alchemist, guys? Last week I said I'll check this week. Let's see. Okay. I don't know. I was doing this problem. Where did I do? Yeah, ma, correct, Diya. That's right. Ashwin, something went over here, Ashwin. What was the equation?
Integral farm equations.
What?
I don't really know how to farm equations.
Oh, no problem. What did you find? You tell me.
So since 800 grams is 20%,
Correct.
I
Go ahead.
so I tried to calculate like what was like 100%, and then I did 50%, and yeah, and I just found the
How much dye should be added? I don't know how much dye should be added, but the dye is what? 100%, right?
mm-hmm.
So that will give what? You have to give a strength of 50%, but the quantity will be what? 800 plus X.
Mm-hmm.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, now I get it. Mm-hmm.
How do you, Johan, did you as well get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Swarit, are you following?
Yeah, I understand now.
Oh, wow. Okay, I'm seeing other answers. Anish, you missed a zero, I think, Anish.
Oh yes, I forgot a zero. Sorry.
Okay. Johan, now did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically what are they saying is dye is 100%. Okay, 20%, 20 meaning this 800 gram, the concentration is only 20%. Okay, that is given here. But you are going to add the dye which is 100%. So the quantity you're going to add, the dye quantity you're going to add, this is dye. Quantity you're going to add is X. Okay, now the volume, the hybrid volume is 800 plus X, but that is going to be only 50% strength. Does that make sense, guys? Is it making sense?
Yeah.
Okay, can I move on? I'm not going to solve this. You can solve this at home. Can I move on?
Mhm.
Okay, now, yeah, I want to give you one more problem I told you, right? Yeah, this one. Yeah. See, when the dye means it's 100%, okay? But sometimes you'll end up adding water. How about this? Yeah. See, chemist has 1000 gram of solution that is 40% acid. How many grams of water must be added? See here, it's a little different. How many grams of water to be added to reduce acidity? I will do this, guys, but you can give me inputs. So now I'm adding water. What to do? This one is so easy to form. This is the type A solution, right? Because 40% acid, 40 by 100 times 1000. So that is the amount of acid in it. Okay. But I have to mix water now. When I mix water, what I'm going to get? 25% acidity. So let's say I'm adding X grams of water I add. If I add X grams of water, right, what will I end up with? My acidity is going to reduce to 25%, but the quantity will become 1000 plus X. That's it. Any questions? I'm just adding water here. So it's like 0 by 100 times X. Make sense? So this does not come into play. Here adding water is a little tricky. Got it? Can I move on, or do you want me to solve this and show you?
You can move on.
Others?
Yeah, you can move on.
Yeah, you can move on.
Johan, Ritisha, all keeping quiet.
Yeah, you can move.
Sham, okay, Diya? Swarit? Swarit?
Yeah, you can move on.
Okay. What other questions I want to solve? Distance rate problems. Hold on. Distance rate and then upstream, downstream. Okay, let's see. Let's see how much of distance rate quickly. I want you to follow some tables, guys, okay? Simple problems we'll do because first and foremost you do the simple problems, then we'll see about harder problems. How about this? Okay. See, guys, one thing is in mathematics, the average speed, right? Average speed, if they ask wherever it is, right? Don't get to the point where I'll show you. Okay, here before we get into this, I want to give you some input. Okay, don't go like, hey, I travel from here to here at 25 miles per hour. Per hour. I travel back at 50 miles per hour. So what is the average speed? Please don't go with 25 plus 50 by 2. This is incorrect. Okay. In mathematics, when it comes to average speed, right? Average speed is not the arithmetic mean. This is the arithmetic mean. You know mean, right? Add two numbers, divide by 2. Average. So in distance time problems, average speed, when it comes to traveling and finding average speed, this is completely wrong. Okay, every time kids get to do this. Okay, average speed is total distance traveled by total time. You get it? You cannot do average of the speeds, total distance by total time. Okay, because it follows another mean called the harmonic mean. There are so many means. Means can be arithmetic mean, geometric mean, or it can be harmonic mean. There are 3 different average calculation ways. Okay, between any two quantities you're given, right? This is a plus b by 2. This is geometric mean, ab. Harmonic mean is 1 by a plus, you don't need, harmonic mean is a little different. So we use, to compute average speed, we have to use harmonic mean. So please don't do speed 1 plus speed 2 divide by 2, which is incorrect. Average speed is total distance by total time. Now, can I move on with this problem? An average carrier made a trip from Guam and back to Guam and back. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, for these problems, distance rate problems, even for volume, I should have shown you the table. Okay. But the table is the error-free way of solving any word problem in algebra is a table. Okay. See, this is distance, rate, time. Those are the two quantities, right? Onward to Guam, meaning onward to Guam, back. Those are the two things that I'm going to discuss. I'm going to discuss distance, rate, time. Okay. Please follow the table. You'll not make mistakes at all. This is one area where everybody will make mistakes, and this is quite important for your SAT exams as well. Okay. You'll never make mistakes if you follow the table. The trip took 3 hours. Okay. So now onward to Guam took 3 hours. And the trip back took 4 hours. See how easily the table, you have to fill in the table, that's it. It averaged 6 kilometer per hour on the return trip. So distance, rate is the speed, right? You all know that speed equal to distance by time. Do you know that? Speed equal to distance by time comes from physics. Speed is the rate, okay? So that is d by t. Now, when you come back, he's averaging at 6 kilometer per hour, right? Now, we don't know the distance, right? What do we do here?
Multiply the time and rate.
Good thought. So,
24.
the distance, right? Nice. So, you
24
multiply
kilometers.
this is 24. The distance is the same because it's onward and downward, right? So, you don't know this anyway. So, what do we do?
You could do 24 divided by 3 to get that.
Yeah, that's true. See, 8. So, now, but how will you find the average speed?
You add the rates and then divide that by 2.
Just now I said don't do that, right? Just no, everybody does that. Always that happens in every class. Average speed alone, please don't take the mean of the rate. Okay, that's the biggest mistake we can make because it's based on harmonic mean.
Would
So
it be 48 by 7?
yeah, 48 by 7, correct. Make sense? Total distance by total time. Any questions? Okay. Okay. Can I move on?
Yeah. Wait, how'd you?
Yeah,
For-
go ahead. Go ahead. Go
Wait,
ahead.
never mind.
No, what is your question? Tell me.
I was about to ask how'd you get total distance, but I found out. I thought rate was the distance. I mistook it. I'm sorry.
No problem. Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Good. If you have a question, ask, right? Otherwise, there's no point in the class. Okay, how about this? You know what? I don't want to be finding the average speed. It's done. We are done with that discussion. Let's see. This is a good one. Let's see. I am doing this for you guys. Upstream, downstream, if I'm not able to do today, it's okay. But next week, when you come back, right, before diving into chapter 8, I would like to discuss the upstream, downstream problems. Okay, please remind me. Ritisha, will you remind me, ma? Next week, when you come back, I'll discuss the upstream, downstream problem. For this week, I'll give you only mixture problems and distance rate time problems. Make sense? Okay. Ritisha, just please remind me. One of you remind me, but I'm just noting it, giving it to you as a responsibility, so you will remind me. Joss left the White House and drove towards the recycling plant. Okay. Rob left sometime later in the same direction. Oh my goodness. So Joss, Rob. Two people we are discussing. Anish, are you following?
Yes.
How about you, Dia?
Yeah.
When I look at the problem itself, I know it's distance rate time. every time, even today, I do write this speed equal to distance by time. Okay, otherwise I'll forget. So I write this whenever I have this. Okay. So Jaws left White House and drove towards the recycling plant at an average speed. Okay, this is taken at an average speed of 40 kilometer per hour. Sometimes they'll mess you up with the units, so be careful. Rob left sometime later driving in the same direction. So he left sometime later. We don't know what does that mean, right? In the same direction at an average speed of 48 kilometer per hour. After driving 5 hours. After driving 5 hours, he drove only 5 hours. So can I call Jaws drove for t plus 5? Can I have a variable there? See, because so how about the distance? What would happen to the distance here? What do you all think? You have to create equations. What will happen to the distance?
It'll be the same.
It will be the same. So what equation can I make? What is the distance? How to calculate the distance here? You have to
multiply the rate by time.
exactly multiply the rate times time. This is 40 times t plus 5. This is 48 times 5. Now what happens? How to create the equation? Johan brought up a good point. They're both distance are the same because they caught up. So what should I equate? See, when you do this table, you will get
40 by t plus 5 equals 48 times 5.
Got it? Easy, right? So this table is your treasure. Now please follow, even in algebra 2, follow the same strategy. It's so good. Algebra 2, you'll get very complex problems. But if you follow the strategy, the table, if you put in and fill it in, that's the best way. Try to understand what is common. Well, meaning what can be the same. Can I equate it? Or can I add 2 and get the total? That is also one way. Sometimes you will end up, they'll say, hey, the total distance covered is something. So you can add these two, equate it to the total. When you frame the table, put the values in, you can create your own equations based on the context. Make sense? Okay, so for this week, can I just give DRT problems and what was the other one we covered? Mixture. Can I give you both? Mixture seems a lot easy because we spend time. Distance rate problem, if you don't understand, bring it back. Does that make sense? Okay, any questions for me? I know alchemists we are not listening, doing, but next week, can I ask you to screen share? Guys, I'm asking you.
Yes, sure.
Okay, please come prepared, okay? Next week, definitely we'll screen share, okay? My question on this is, 1 minute, I don't, let me quickly see, guys. Okay. Share. Okay, let me go to resources. Hey, Johan, are you working on this alchemist?
Yeah.
Nice. How about you, Ashwin?
Yeah.
Okay, good to know. But where is it? Play. Okay, now I want algebra, right? Till what have you done, guys? Till what?
Until I think I forgot. Wait, let me check.
What is the last topic you did, guys? Hey, one of you tell me. You have your thing, right? You remember, right? What is the last topic we covered?
I'm opening it.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, I did it until inverse proportions.
Oh, you did it till here?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That is another 2 chapters.
They're all blue too.
Oh wow, that's good.
Yeah. But like the last one that's in the consecutive row was solving two variable systems.
Okay, so okay, that's good. Solving 2 variable systems. Okay. Can I ask you to solve 2 variable word problems for this week? You know, Vishnuram, why are you getting on all these blue? You did pre-algebra, right? That's why it is in blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, but see, the way I am going to proceed is please do this two variable word problems in alchemist. That's the only topic, okay, for next week.
I
Please
think
make it
I
98.
think I finished that.
Please make it to 98.
Okay.
Okay, but after that, I am going to go here, guys. Distance in a plane, midpoint graphing lines. Next week, I'm going to cover this. I'm going to leave this. I know we have done this in pre-algebra, okay? That gave you a solid foundation, okay? When your school reopens, I want you to be very good with algebra. So let me go ahead and finish these, then come back. Okay, your school will start with, I know one problem is school will start with arithmetic geometric sequences. But those are all easy. Okay, we will do later, and this is in depth. Okay, I'm not that bothered. So I will go ahead and do the 8th unit next week. Okay, so my target would be to cover unit 8 by end of summer, unit 8 and a little bit more. Any questions for me?
No.
Okay. Okay, guys. If you don't have any questions, we'll log off.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, guys. See you all next week. Enjoy the summer as well.
Also, Miss Priya, as I'm going into 8th grade, like next year in October, I believe during like somewhat towards the end, there's a state test called like PSAT or NMSQT, and there's a math portion in it, and I was wondering if you could help me study for that.
Ah, yes. Which grade are you going to?
I'm going into 8th, and I have to
If
take
they
this.
don't provide you NMSQT, they are providing?
It's PSAT, I'm pretty sure. PSAT.
Correct, ma. PSAT is of 2-3 types, okay? A PSAT NMSQT is taken in your 11th grade to get the presidential scholarship. I mean, to get the
Oh.
What is that? Some semi-finalists. That's the award they give, right? If you get selected. So that one is taken in your 11th grade by everybody.
Oh no, we have to take this one in our school to like get into a good high school. And there's part of it is math portion that's 740 and 740 points, and English is 700 points.
Correct. 1540 தான். Correct. That is
Yeah.
for one. Yeah. So it is NMSQT, huh?
Yeah, kind of. I
Oh,
think.
wow. Okay. 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 Yeah. If you don't have any questions but just want to listen, you can stay. But if you don't have any questions, you can log off if it's boring. The discussion with Ritisha is boring, you can log off. Yeah, really, right? Ritisha, are you sure it's PSAT and MSQT?
Yeah, I bought a book for it.
What book did you buy? Can you show me?
Okay.
That's a good one. Kaplan is a good one.
Yeah, so it's PSAT, that's what we call it.
Yeah. And have you started working with it?
Oh no, I have to make a plan on how to start it, and I was wondering for the math portion
Yeah,
if
I can help, but the problem is NMSQT will also cover algebra too.
yeah, like in this book I'm pretty sure there's a bit of trigonometry, nonlinear functions and stuff. So I don't know how to do those yet, like functions and stuff.
But should you take this in your school?
This is to do this not like super hard trigonometry, not like super hard functions and all, but like basics of those.
Ritisha,
And
can you help me?
this score is to decide like your high schools and stuff.
I
Yeah.
understand, ma. Can you please help me to understand really what is the name of the exam you're going to take? There is a PSAT 8-9. That
PSAT. It's PSAT.
it's PSAT, ma. PSAT 8-9 is different from PSAT and MSQT.
Okay.
Can you check what is the exam you're going to take?
It's PSAT, I'm sure. PSAT.
PSAT, I understand, but what is the category of PSAT?
I think.
There are 2-3 different PSATs. Okay, I don't think they will administer NMSQT to you guys in 8th grade when you have not even completed geometry. It is very difficult to do. You have not even touched algebra.
I think PSAT 8/9, that one.
See, that is different.
Oh. No, I was just reading the book title, but it's for 8th and 9th grade, I'm pretty sure. Not at the nowadays. NMSQT is different thing.
Can you check and tell me, meaning, can you give me a
No,
screen?
I'm sure. Like, I asked teachers a while back
Please
about
at 8, 9 yeah, that will be good. When are you taking it?
October. I'm pretty sure.
I will get you to a good level.
Look,
Okay,
like
because I'm
summer.
so afraid NMSQT you can't appear in October. Okay, we will fail.
Okay.
We are not there because see, you need to complete geometry, you need to complete algebra too. Then only you can take NMSQT.
Oh, yeah, that's the 11th grade one.
Yeah, 11th grade one, but check. I don't know how your school is. Maybe they are administering. Who knows?
No. All the only one in PSAT are a bit of quadratics, geometry, trigonometry,
Correct.
linear functions and stuff.
Correct. See, trigonometry is there. But see, PSAT 8, 9 is the heart of algebra. If you finish algebra, you're really set for PSAT 8, 9.
Okay.
Okay, you'll be really good with it.
Yeah, I just have a few things I still need to learn. That's why I was wondering if you could teach me those.
Like which one?
Based on these books, basically geometry, trigonometry, quadratics, and functions, both linear and non-linear.
But those will come by October. We'll finish all of this. That's why I'm speeding up to Unit 8.
Oh, what is Unit 8?
Unit 8, the equations of lines, functions, all this stuff.
Oh, okay.
Okay, see, I did not know that you're writing it, but I really want to speed up to 8 and then come back to 5 and 6. Then come back to 6 and 7. You got it? 6 and 7, you guys already know from pre-algebra. Okay, it is just another layer that's added. Okay, whereas 8 is completely new to you guys. So I will go ahead with 8. Okay, if possible, I'll also finish arithmetic geometric sequences and then come back is my plan. Let me see. That will only benefit you guys.
I was wondering if I could do like a separate session to just like till October just for learning like these specific topics for PSAT.
We'll see. I'll talk to your mom.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll definitely talk to your mom.
All right. Good night.
Bye, ma.
Auntie, I have a question in the book.
Yes, ma.
Or 5.5.
5.5.
It's 5.5, 5.5.3. It's the problem is find R and S if R R square cube, I don't know how to say it, plus 9 square root of S equals 21 and
Yeah, 5.5.3.
yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't understand that one.
Oh. Let's quickly check. Anish, did you have a question?
No.
Okay. Okay, Swarit, okay, cube root of R, take it as X, cube root of S, take it as Y. You got it?
Okay.
So X
Yeah.
9, Y equal to 21, 10X minus Y equal to 28. That's all. You got it?
Okay. Yeah. And then do you just like
Yeah,
you have to
yeah.
add or multiply by 10? Okay.
Subtract both. Then what do you get? If you subtract both, this will be 91Y will be equal to subtract, right? 10 goes off. Another 80 needs to be subtracted. 190, 188, right? You see what I mean, huh?
Uh-huh. And then you solve for Y and you go for X.
Something is so wrong to me. Wait. 182. Correct. Y
Yeah.
equal to 2, right? You got
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
Y S is equal to root 2. Make sense?
Uh-huh.
Y equal to 2 na, substitute that here. Y equal to 2 na, what will you do? Y equal to 2. So 18, 3. Cube root of R equal to 3. Cube both sides. So R will be 27. Make sense?
Uh-huh.
Make sense?
So for cube root of R, would it just be like
The
like,
cube root
how
of
would you solve cube root of R?
you do. Right? Because X will be equal to 3, you'll get, right?
Uh-huh.
Plug that in here. Cube root of R is equal to 3. Cube both sides.
Okay. And
27.
then square root of R equals 27. Okay.
Get it?
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
Okay, good job, Swarit, but you have caught up.
Okay.
You like this class?
Yeah.
Somewhat, not fully.
Yeah.
Swarit, really good for you. You will be thankful to me and after another 5 years. Okay, your foundations
Yeah.
will be solid. I don't want you to move to algebra.
Okay.
Okay, meaning I don't say anything bad to you guys. Each and every one, whatever will work only I'm suggesting. Got it?
Yeah.
It's okay. Ride the wave, right? It is hard, I know.
Yeah.
Ride the wave, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, it is worth it.
So, do I just take pictures of the 5.5 homework and then
Submit it, yes.
Okay.
See. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma. Kartiyada.